Hi, this is Daisy from NSE LED. Glad to see you today. As for NSE Digital LED Poster is a smart and user-friendly device. It supports multi-control methods such as Wi-Fi, USB, network, and the HDMI control. The most commonly used is a computer Wi-Fi control. Today we are going to guide you how to simply use the mobile phone app LED Art to operate the poster. Let's go to start. Firstly, download and install the app LED Art on your mobile phone. There are two ways you can download the app. Scan the QR code here to download. Go to the Apple Store or Android App Market to download. The next step, connection the Wi-Fi of LED poster. Find the Wi-Fi number at unit back label. Here the Wi-Fi is A5. No matter how many units LED poster joined, remember to connection the first LED poster Wi-Fi. Open the phone setting. Turn on the Wi-Fi list and find poster Wi-Fi A5. Click it and enter the original password 8x8 to connect the Wi-Fi. When you the first time to login, you will be informed to modify the password. Okay, here Wi-Fi is connected. Let's back to the app LED Art. Open the app. Here you can see the device is connecting. The main interface including 3 parts: programs, device, settings. In setting, you can change the language, follow system or any of its language. OK. Device. Here is function setting area. Include the power on, off. We can set the screen on and off time to management the playing time. OK. Brightness control. The brightness can be adjusted from 0 to 100% to meet the requirements of different environments. Let's do a small test. 20% brightness. OK, done. 50%. OK. And now 100% full brightness. As we can see, the brightness difference is very obvious. Time. Here is time correction. The time could be automatic, follow system time. Remote control. Easy to switch up and down programs. Let's try it. And adjust brightness. We can change brightness here. OK. Shake function. Select a picture. Shake it to send. OK, done. Here is Wi-Fi setting. Password is 888. Each supports to change the password. OK, done. Now here we go to the most important step. Upload the program to LED poster. Press new screen. Then it will automatically identify the control system information. Quickly check if all information is correct, especially for screen resolution. Click OK. Now enter Add area. We can start making the customized program. Press Add. We can try to add clock, add image or videos. Now, let's try to upload pictures quickly. Select the picture on your mobile phone dots by dots. Click OK, then each send to the screen. It works perfectly. we can see the LED poster displays the pictures we choose from mobile phone. Well, that is all the content of a mobile phone to operate LED poster. If you want to discover more functions, just download the app and try it. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn with me today. To see more interesting videos and learn LED product knowledge, please subscribe us on YouTube. Any comments from your side, NSE LED team will be 7/24 hours online to help you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.